Are you single or taken? How many girlfriends, boyfriends have you had? Oh God. Tell us one of your bad habits. And that's really embarrassing to say. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting video and I'm so surprised I haven't done this yet, but today I'm doing the get to know me tag so you guys can learn a little bit more about me. Anyways, so you guys could get to know me more. I don't even remember what I said. I'm a mess. Anyways, let's just get started with the video. I'm gonna do the get to know me tag. You're gonna get to know me today. And I have the questions on my phone, so I'm just gonna be looking down at them. All right, so the first question is, what is your middle name? My middle name is Lindsay, so it's Alyssa Lindsay Iman. The second question is, what is your favorite color?
Pink.
Definitely pink. I'm a super girly girl, so yeah, anything pink is my favorite. Who was your first best friend? Okay, so the third question is, who was your first best friend? So my very first best friend's name was Sam. She was such a sweetheart. She still is. We actually don't really talk much anymore, but you know, she'll always be family to me. Love you, girl. Number 4 is, how tall are you? So I'm actually 5'1". I'm super short and I'm not growing anymore, so great. No modeling career for me. Number 5 is, cats or dogs? Definitely dogs. I'm obsessed with dogs. I have 2 dachshunds and they're the cutest things ever. You probably saw Vana in like my last video or the video before that. All right, number 6 is, funniest moment throughout high school. So I think the funniest moment in high school for me was definitely, everyone was like in the lobby area and I was coming in and it was snowing outside and I did the most dramatic slip and fall you've ever seen and everyone was laughing. So super embarrassing. And I guess that was funny because it was funny for me afterwards, okay? But I definitely think that's the funniest thing that's ever happened to me in high school. How many countries have you visited? I'm not sure. Honestly, I'm gonna have to like check with my mom because I know I visited a lot of places when I was super young and I'm gonna put it down below. But I definitely visited a lot. Maybe I'll list them all too. Are you in or have you gone to college? So no, I did not go to college. I actually went to a hair school called Paul Mitchell. They're all around the world. And I studied to be a cosmetologist and that's what I am today. What was your favorite worst subject in high school? So can I just say like history and gym? We'll put those together. I hated gym because I did not want to get sweaty. Okay, I was trying to look cute all day and the gym just makes you sweaty and gross, so no one likes the gym. 10, what is your favorite drink? I'm just gonna say water. Literally all I drink is water and lemon. It's like my favorite, so I know that's so basic, but it is. What is your favorite animal? Elephant. Definitely elephant. I love elephants. I think they're the cutest things in the whole entire world, so yeah. What is your favorite perfume? My all-time favorite perfume is the Versace Bright Crystal. I think that's what it's called. I am obsessed with the smell. I also like YSL Black Opium for the winter. I wore that in the winter. I think that's about it right now. Tea or coffee? Coffee. I need my coffee to survive. What would you or have you named your children? So no children for me now, but in the future, this is gonna sound so embarrassing. But I've always been obsessed with the movie Aquamarine. Let me know down below if you've ever seen it because I'm obsessed with mermaids and I wanted to name my kid Aqua Blue. I don't know if it's gonna happen. My boyfriend says that's a definite no, but I'll get back to you on that one. What sports do you play or have you played? I did gymnastics. I think gymnastics is definitely a sport, so I used to do gymnastics and I used to dance. What is your favorite book? This is really embarrassing, but I don't have one. I'm sorry. I really don't read. I know I should read more. I definitely want to, but I don't have a favorite book. Who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Jaclyn Hill is like number 1. I am obsessed with Jaclyn Hill. Carly Bible. I don't know why I'm going blank. Basically them. Those are my favorite. I like Gretchen Geraghty. I love her vlogs. I'm not sure. That's basically it right now. I watch a ton of people though. I'm literally obsessed with YouTube. I feel like that's all I do all day is watch YouTube videos. So, what is your favorite movie? Should I go back to Aquamarine? I mean, because I think that's my favorite movie. And I have to say it, you guys are gonna kill me, but it's Mean Girls, because if I have to think of a movie that I continuously watch over and over again every single year, it's Mean Girls. Are you single or taken? I am taken. I have been with my boyfriend for about 5.5 years, and you'll probably be seeing him very soon, so look out for that. What's your idea of an ideal first date? This is one thing I love doing with my boyfriend, and definitely the number one thing I'd want to do on a first date is probably eat dinner on the beach or something, like pack something to eat and then eat dinner on the beach and like watch the sunset. I think that's so cute. So yeah, definitely that. How many girlfriends, boyfriends have you had? Oh God, I don't know and I don't want to say it, so we're just gonna skip that question. Favorite memory from childhood. My favorite memory is definitely traveling. Going back to the question earlier, I don't remember how many places I've traveled to, but it definitely was a lot. I loved traveling and I loved going on cruises. Do you speak any different languages and how well? Nope. I took Spanish in high school and I did not retain absolutely anything, so that's that. Do you have any siblings? Nope, only child, and I get told I'm spoiled, which is probably true. How would you describe your fashion sense? So I definitely have a couple different fashion senses. Like, I'd describe one as like classy, Audrey Hepburn, Breakfast at Tiffany's, like skirts, dresses, bows. So that's like one style, and then my other one is definitely more like dressy, laid back. Is that a style? I don't know what I'm talking about. And then another one is kind of like street chic. I don't know, but I definitely have a ton of different styles, but I definitely like my more classier style the best. What is your favorite restaurant? Olive Garden. I know that's so bad, but I'm obsessed with Olive Garden, and their soup and breadsticks are my fave. What are some of your favorite TV shows? So recently I was just watching The Hills, and I literally watch it every single summer. The Hills in Laguna Beach. That's definitely my favorite. Right now I'm watching The Carrie Diaries, which I already watched as well. So that too. And the last one that I always watch all the time is Gossip Girls. It's my all-time favorite. PC or Mac? Mac all the way. What phone do you have? I have the iPhone 6s. I know it's, yeah, I need to upgrade it soon. Tell us one of your bad habits. So this is really bad. I literally eat my nails and my skin off, which is so gross, and I can't believe I'm saying this right now, but it's probably one of my worst habits because I'm the most nervous person ever. Like, I have the worst anxiety, so I just will mutilate my fingernails, and that's really embarrassing to say. Alright guys, so that's the end of the Get to Know Me tag, and I hope this helped you kind of like get to know me a little more, because I know I don't really like have any videos sitting down with you just talking, and if you like this style of video, definitely give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to get to know me a little more, you can check out my Instagram. It's linked down below. It would really mean the world to me if you would go check me out down there. And don't forget to come back every Friday. I post videos every single Friday and some videos in between. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know you're mine. Hands on your body.